Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, let's talk about this really nice 5 feet cherry blossom tree, artificial cherry blossom tree that we put right here in this kind of like cozy corner because we want to decorate the Japanese style. We just came back from Japan and wanted to have something to remember that. And cherry blossoms are kind of like one of the most, I want to say, famous things on Japan. I do like this one. I have to say that we have another one that is also really nice. It's in my wife's office, but that one has all the branches kind of like hanging and it's bigger, bulkier. That's why we put it right there. But this one is a little bit more compact, a little bit more the cozy style, a little bit more smaller for sure, but the quality, it's actually pretty good, I have to say. Let's take a closer look. Okay, just from the start, it comes with that really nice base, like that heavy base over there that also comes with those rocks. Those are actual real rocks. I was super surprised to see that. So it's really nice that comes with that. Then you're gonna find kind of like the middle part, which I do like. And of course, all those branches that is gonna have that aesthetic feels that it's a Japanese style. Again, it's very compact, but volume-wise, it has a good size amount of flowers and a good kind of like amount of branches as well. It's not easy to set up. You're gonna set it up in about probably 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. And of course, as a decoration, this one is gonna work out perfectly. It has some green accents, all the branches, all the leaves, and of course, all those cherry blossom pink flowers that is gonna make that really beautiful decoration. I like it, we like it. I hope you like it too.